Welcome to one and all, welcome to all the dignitaries over here. The real hero will meet the real.
Tilka doctor who have actually won many hearts.
With this film, the help of this film, you try to create some kind of a memory in which it would really showcase you as a hero which you actually are.
The man survived, lived for 6 years. That is the greatness of Dayasagar, I always say.
God had chosen a wonderful name to him. So, parallelly, mankind is also matching. Kindness, you see, the Daya means kindness. The Sagar means ocean of knowledge.